Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be blow drying my hair using the blow drying brush. I've actually never used this before, but my sister have, and she told me that she gets really good results with it. She actually put me onto it, so today I will be giving it a try. I've always been using the other regular blow dryers, and I get pretty good results with that, although I don't blow dry my hair as much. But I'm hoping this works out so that I could continue using it, because like just holding it feels way better than the other blow dryers. But anyway, I don't want to like talk too much in this video. So the products I will be using along with this brush is my Tresemme heat protectant spray, a paddle brush, a comb, white tooth comb, a clip with some scrunchies in there. So my hair is a little damp. The first thing I'm gonna do is take down this twist and use my heat protectant. I'm gonna use my comb to brush it off. And I normally blow dry my hair in 4 sections, because that way it's just easier for me. So there are different options on here. There's a cool, low, and then high. So I'm gonna start off with low. I won't bother with the cool because it's gonna take forever. So I'm gonna start off with low and then eventually move up to high. So this is my hair on low heat. It feels soft. It's not too straight, as you could see, but it got to this state quicker than the regular blow dryer that I use. You know what, since I did this side on low, I'm just going to do this side on high to compare the two to see what the high heat does. Again, I'm gonna comb this out. Just gonna brush it off. Be protected. And now I'm gonna turn it on high heat. So again, this is the high heat side, and this is the low heat. So I can see and feel a difference. See, this one is like more laid down and this one is more puffy. So yeah, eventually I will go over this one with the high heat. I just don't want to apply too much heat to my hair right now. Okay, so I am going to be completely honest. With the regular blow dryer, it takes longer and it's like more work, more effort. But with this brush blow dryer, it's better. It's less time, it's less of a struggle. I mean, like, you're just basically brushing your hair. But with my other blow dryer, my hair does not shed as much. It barely sheds when I'm like blow drying my hair, but with this, a lot of my hair came out. Like, I was blow drying and it's like, it was just pulling on. But anyway, this is the results that I got. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications as to when I post a video. Thanks for watching.